Hey guys,
We're gonna do a MV teaser reaction to BTOB
teaser
Beep,
2.
Beep. Teaser 2.
Yeah. Okay.
Your head's like.
Oh snap.
Okay, start, yeah?
Yes.
Yes.
Oh
Go.
God, I'm gonna fall off this.
Whoa.
Oh, get the voice. No! You ugly girls!
Oh my god.
Oh my God!
Oh my god.
Sorry.
Oh gosh! Oh, I sound like a man when I screamed. Oh God! I think
We should have watched that. I feel a bit. Oh, it's because of.
Where's the BTOB in their teaser? Oh my gosh! That doesn't make sense. They were in a toy car.
Rabbits,
But then- I can't wait. Oh my goodness.
But then again, it was rated, so like.
No, but
You should expect like. And it's a teaser, so you should expect like. Only girls only if it's rated or something.
but that's not B2B.
Isn't
Where's
it?
B2B?
BTOB? Oh my
I'm
gosh!
so disappointed.
My baby.
What is life right now? What's Cube thinking?
They're getting rated.
Maybe they're
stuff
like the
now.
newbies, like new girl groups or
No,
something.
I
No,
want
but-
BTOB. Oh, they're
Should
fighting.
we start again? Right.
But then that's a bit slutty.
Oh no,
for
no,
them.
exactly. Like they're wearing tattoos. No, I don't think they are.
They're wearing tongs.
They look young as well, innit?
Yeah. Oh, they might be fake.
They could be the new girl group, innit?
Oh my eyes. I can't watch this.
They're in the rave. They're in the makeshift rave.
There's the cars.
Oh wait, let me see the cars again.
You know why? There's like girls. I think because they want to attract male audiences.
Yeah, because BTOB needs to boost their fan
Girls.
Fanboys?
No,
Is
their
it?
fan base. They need to boost their fan base.
Yeah.
At least it'll come on for 17th.
I'm so pissed.
Where the hell is BTOB in their own
MV teaser.
Oh, I don't even know. I think probably half of the girls gonna be in the actual teaser. I mean,
Oh,
not
yeah.
teaser, music video.
Music
Yeah.
video.
I hope they're
Stripping.
not anywhere.
Bello strip?
Oh my god.
It's 19 plus.
Oh, so is the MV gonna be 19 plus as well?
Probably.
Or like 15 at least?
Mm.
I don't get why it's 19 though. What they
I
did was
know.
like show their
Dance
abs.
around.
I think for the Asian Korean market it's a bit
Oh yeah, they're quite.
too much, but for us it's like it's cash.
Yeah.
Oh.
No B2B. No
We're
reaction.
The way just left. She was like in a rage.
Oh gosh, I want to watch it back.
Okay, so guys, that wasn't. Yeah,
Oh
quite disappointed.
You're gonna have to upload this really quick.
Yeah, that's what I'm doing. I'm gonna upload it. I'm gonna upload the teasers.
안녕하세요.
For now.
What are you guys doing?
Did it stop?
No.
Oh,
Oh, bye.